Welcome to Test Prep Pundits. We provide trained prep pundits on our platform who guide in a small group setting. It is 8 weeks course wherein 66 hours of live training is provided. Pundits cover every single topic both in math and English with time-saving strategies. We record all the teaching sessions for future review to cover missed sessions. Pundits are extensively trained with study strategies and time-saving methods. Our methods enable students to score higher in lesser time of preparation. Our pundits are facilitated with study strategies and time-saving methods. Pundits are extensively trained on our unique training platform developed for the convenience and speed requirements of our test prep students. Our nominal course fees includes 1-year digital license, 15 full-length practice tests, 548 pages printed workbook, and a small registration fee. Call us to get 40% discount. We are always available to answer any of your queries. Get in touch with us via email or phone.